So why is your automatic date and time wrong on the iPhone? Let me show you some reasons why that could be. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, this can be set up inside of the settings, general, and the date and time. And when you enable the automatic mode, likely you have it wrong, right? So obviously the first and easiest solution would be to disable it and choose the proper time zone and don't use the automatic time. But we can even fix that, right? So for example, what you can do is to make sure that the iPhone has proper access to your location as well as to the internet. So internet is pretty obvious. Just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile, but also inside of the settings, check out the privacy and security. Make sure to go to the locations, and all of the location things should be enabled. I mean, I don't mean for like the third-party apps and whatnot, but most importantly, at the bottom we have the system services, and those you can see like the device management and all of those things should be properly like turned on, right? Because this can use the data to determine your location and also give you the proper time. Okay, but two more things though. You can still manage to reset the iPhone, but restart it or update to the latest iOS, and it's sort of like reset at the time settings. So that is in case there is some glitch or something wrong with the software, then obviously these things might help you out. And one other thing is the calendar time zone specifically, because when you check out the apps within the settings and go to calendar, there is also the time zone override menu. And this can literally change the events time and make it different from the base iPhone time. So if you mean something a bit more specific like this, then it would make sense to check out the time settings for the calendar as well. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.